As he comes closer and closer to that ragged edge of uncertainty, with Lady Luck on the one side, the Grim Reaper on the other, he lines it up carefully. Is he going to make it? Yes, he is. He is up and there he goes, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Terry Gasso from Plymouth, running to his assistance.
I felt the heat on my skin and I got so scared that I was dying. Like, seriously.
He is okay. Ladies and gentlemen, Terry Gasso.
I thought we were dying. Look at the front of the bus. It just like split.
Hey, Jimmy. Hey, what?
All I saw was orange. All I saw was fire. I didn't even know what was happening.
Yeah. Oh, man. So at least that's what I'm going with.
What happened? I know. Exactly. Look at the bottom
They
of
want me
the
to
bus.
push the 50-50 girl. Push her where? Oh, they need to sell the 50-50. Oh, okay. 50-50 still going around. Get Big Mama a holler. That's Big Mama right here. You're welcome. Get out the dollar, give the gal a holler. The bigger the 20, the bigger the...